wonder who lied to that girl, dude.
All demons lie, dude. It could have been anyone.
I heard about some girl trying to become a hero, but who knew it was real?
Just watching her stumble around hurts me way down deep, dude.
There was some dork who thought he was a real overlord, dude.
What a wacko. Better stay away from him, dude. I met some weird girl today who wants to become the main character, dude.
Main character, huh? That's simple. All she has to do is kill whoever the actual main character is.
Why am I not surprised you would say something like that? Hold on! Are you trying to get me killed, dude?
Why would I want to do that, fool? I need you guys around to help relieve stress.
That's exactly what ends up killing us, dude.
friend. Or maybe they just want me to let them be in my game.
That's pretty unlikely, dude.
But look, they're licking me and everything. And they keep following me around.
Yeah, that's what they do. Right before they eat you, dude.
Say what? Ah!
You need some help, dude?
Stay away from me! I almost forgot I was in the dark, ugly butthole called the Netherworld.
Gotta have muscle, dude!
Get ready!
I'm all over this!
You're a genius, dude!
This is stupid! Demons? The Netherworld? I hate this! I'm a friggin' human, damn it! Who gives a good sweet damn about this place?
What's your problem, dude?
Was I yelling just now? My short-term memory isn't so great sometimes.
You were saying something about demons in the Netherworld, dude!
Demons? Oh, that's right. If I want to be the hero around here, I have to understand you demons. I think whoever makes these games are a bunch of demons too.
That girl has issues, dude!